Yeah, me fra dance for. Me pa dance for. Me fra dance for. When you may assume me pa dance for, Mama Baby Dima dance here. Some in Israel and you ham. Afemi enko bika etire nu ayensia yimu a e de dika ne de toso mi rede no atwo na TV ntwiro yo
Ewurade ne man asendie
ya ewurade ene ne man wa asem a wo mudi onyame ne man asendie wonu se Hebrew fongma wo ka asem bi wo se ye ni nyame wa asem. Yeah, he was making a submission there. Hebrews chapter 4 and verse number 13. Hebrews chapter number 4 and there is nothing that is hidden in the face of God. The Bible makes us solid clear, but all things are naked and open before the eyes of God. Which will not be discovered. There is nothing that is hidden that will not be discovered. I wish I can explain what I just said. Because you be yeah, dear Wuye make us so much. A man, why now wouldn't say will be a war ya, we will be good our dear no, and no pay. I'm going to repeat what I just said. Ubia ujina, you are a man watching me on television. Unim said the war yan or yerete and now una or what you jai. A man will be a man kune. Say man who some are very, very, very dangerous. A man be very dangerous. Powerful party me funny kume chin wa pepa na no said ye BBNC. Ma bebre had ya war asho mu kunu no but woman nim sa abofra we onye ni kunu ba. Be sa die ebepi. Bibi be si ma abofra na ko hospital am ya ye test bi ma ene ni kunu ukunu de na mfa. Emfa. And don't know our dear na berry. We are mashu. You would have from the person too fat. The dear Bia, oh yeah, wouldn't say Obia would hear radio so far super here. A dear Bia, oh yeah, wouldn't say your mother bought tire shares you'd come in. Mishiria, because. Baby, on my would recall you be you. I'm telling you, baby, all the recall you be you. I'm telling you, the man of God. Yeah, why are you? He is keeping no woo, and for being a bar for the minister. Yamebe kataswama. Enye ishira, ishira. Tell him, Obi Kunusikan or the man, sister, Sanfa Kofi. Obia what will be crusika bahas would be tied fako. I boldly telling fako. Insurance. Men am catching out. Where we are Jumem Sika, where we are men Sika, where we are so the Sika, and found a bar for the year. A much is blood. I don't know where himself. Hallelujah. I'm talking to you. No, I can't simply say. Everybody, I dear now what the hell? A swabi. Yamia Yanene some Hebrews 4:13. Be anywhere this year. Yamia Nimno be BNC. Yeah, Gina, now we are transparent before the Lord. All of us. They are transparent before. And so if you have any life different from the one that is standing here, sweetie, the reason why we preach is for people to be transformed. Transformation. And such a yeah, I've been such a you know what people share those testimonies? Will be dear dance yes, Yamiama Mevesa, many yet say will be dear dance yes. Namity Jamemu Nevra, dear Jimmy. Yeah. That's a testimony. Esu anami womu itie asamono on kronkron asachara me no na me pesimiti. That's a testimony. Yeah. Visa be na ye ba de moha. Emoha. Yamia be Germany kwaya mame. Emoha. Atena Aburokyire. Me mama ba ko anope she lived in the States or be cry so ko US. You know, snow the kind of one who have a plane number. Me know because snow to America. Heavy snow. Snow no at all. Everywhere. Planes are grounded in many places. Sister Aburokyire ain't easy. You said your modern is Aburokyire breakthrough and you enter. Enter. No kura no mun kan kire mo bogafo mo ba obi on man tade a wotogu ho 1 year obeba be sheni na 3 weeks for Ghana ti de America no entade a wato no 1 year or be sheni 3 weeks do ne na mo abagine se kuro ne so ede eso nyede upade a wa Aburokyire a ema hoye da e buy one get one free eno na ema hoye de. But adia Aburokyire ubesu a wodi amro eye bills to tua obi amo ubesu itua ka $3,000 but we expenditure eye $3,000 fe utua wi ana wusu itinam so obia wo ha ya obi discover Aburokyire bre wo saje to asase mana na ye bibi ma no awedi no opa kopedisika ma no. Yes, sir. We pay price. We pay big price. What's same now? Be quiet. Say Ghana and benefit our Ghana. Ya ubi a modi ya fe mumu we pay price. E ka se macho me mfa ni pa we. Ya ja o mala mo me yan ka ya se. Hallelujah.